Welcome to the Empowerment Hour, the space where high-level strategy meets deep self-love. Hosted by yours truly, your favorite self-care queen and business mentor, Sandrah. Today, we're not just building empires, we're building peace. Let's talk confidence, calm, and coins.
Oh yeah, me I dey build my world the way I like. No time for wahala and no time for fight. See the sweet life way I design, because my own shine must to shine. I know say I be your motto leko. My confidence dey for overflow. Them no fit stop this glowing. No, you are enough. You are enough. Yeah, you are enough. Sure. You are enough.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the show. Pause and take a deep breath with me. Inhale. And exhale. Great. I want to ask you something that might feel just a little bit triggering. Are you actually enjoying the business you've built? Or have you just traded 9 to 5 for, 24 hours in a slavery drive? Just asking. We've been sold a lie that in order to be a boss, you have to be hard. You have to be on all the time. But today, we're burning that contract. I'm introducing you to the Soft Girl CEO Blueprint. It's about building a brand that serves your life, not consume it. We're choosing alignment over anxiety. Today, we're transitioning from hustle culture to feminine leadership. A soft girl CEO realizes that her nervous system is her greatest business asset. Remember, if you're fried, your creativity is basically fried too. Here are some mindset pillars that I want to introduce you to as you enter into your soft girl CEO phase. Number 1, profit via peace. In the old strategy, we chase profit in hopes of inner peace down the line. In this blueprint, however, we prioritize peace, which opens the creative channels for high income ideas to flow. The slow is smooth raw. We stop rushing because rushing leads to so many stress. It can lead to messy launches and bad hires. So instead, we move at a pace which allows us to actually see opportunities which are passing us by. 3, softness is leverage. When you're soft and regulated, you attract better customers. People are drawn to your energy, not just your products. I remember staying up until 3 a.m., sometimes 4 a.m., answering DMs because I was too afraid to lose a customer, too afraid to let go of the $sign. I realized I was acting from a place of poverty and desperation and not power. Now, my phone is on Do Not Disturb by 9 p.m. My boundaries taught my customers how to respect my time. As a result of this, they actually respect my work, respect my time, appreciate my work, and value my products a lot more. It's really important that we learn how to let tech do all the hard work and we do the hard work. Let me cook. This isn't just a meeting, it's a ritual. So grab your notebook, and if you don't have a notebook, you can get an online digital notebook at www.esandor.com, or you can go on Amazon and get your hard copy. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, let's get into it. Every Monday to Friday morning, you need to make sure that you set the vibe, the mood, the environment to win. Make your favorite tea or coffee, wear something you're comfortable with, play some soft music, no distraction, aka phones, tablets, or even your laptop, and make an audit of your week so far. Meditate and write down what felt heavy this week. Write down ways in which it can be automated or delegated, or whether it's even necessary at all. Maybe it's worth a delete. Then comes the planning. Pick 3 needle moving tasks. That's all. That's it. You do not need to overload your to-do list. Everything else is a bonus. Remember the tech stack that we talked about? If you don't, let me remind you. On Standstore, you can create a digital shop front that handles the transactions, the delivery, and the follow-ups whilst you're at the spa, and the evergreen loops. Don't post 10 times a day. Instead, create 3 power content pieces on TikTok, Instagram, or any other social media of your choice that explains your value and pinpoint them. Let them work for you for months. Planning your big live event during your ovulatory phase when energy is high, and focusing on back-end admin or reset during your menstrual phase. Remember, people don't want to be sold to. They want to be invited into a transformation. Try this. Instead of saying, buy my course, tell a story about how you almost quit and the system that saved your insanity. Let them see and envision themselves in your softness. Instead of buy now or miss out, try this. I created this for the girl who is tired of the grind. If you're ready for more ease, then the link is in my bio whenever you're ready. Stop the perfect studio setup. Go live while you're doing your skincare or even making your morning coffee. Show your potential customers the reality of being a CEO. It builds trust faster than you think, faster than a professional headshot could ever. Sis, softness is not laziness. Laziness is avoiding the work completely. Softness is doing the work so efficiently that you actually have time to live your life. Sis, remember that you have the permission to be successful and also well rested. I don't want you to just listen. I want you to also implement. Grab my free Soft Girl Business Toolkit, and if you want to take it a step further, you can also grab my daily flow planner, which includes 10 soft sales templates. It's in my Sandrah, which I have linked down in the description box. If you've managed to listen to this point, then I want you to comment Soft Girl CEO down in the comments, and I also want you to comment that one thing that you're going to stop doing this week to protect your peace. Next week, we're getting technical. I'm showing you how you can build a digital product in 48 hours without a tech degree. Until then, protect your peace and your profit. Bye, Queen.
You are enough. You are enough.